After spending countless hours with Hebrew learning apps over the past few years, I can confidently say that for millions around the world, Hebrew is more than just a language. It's the key to unlocking personal heritage, understanding family traditions, and participating in prayers and holidays on a deeper level. It's the language of a global family, rich with culture and history. Today, we're looking at the top 5 apps that I've personally tested to guide you on this meaningful journey. My number 1 top-tier recommendation is the Ling App. For a language that reads right to left and has such rich, multi-layered history, Ling provides the most comprehensive and culturally aware learning experience I've encountered. What sets Ling apart is how it was built with native Israeli speakers to guide you through every aspect of Hebrew, from the 22 letters of the Aleph-Bet to the intricate vowel system and authentic modern conversations. I've been genuinely impressed by how you can practice with their AI chatbot, perfect your pronunciation on everything from ancient texts to modern slang, and master right-to-left reading through their intuitive gamified exercises. It's simply the most complete package for truly understanding Hebrew. My second choice is Fun Easy Learn Hebrew, which I found to be an absolute gem for beginners. This app really lives up to its name. It makes learning Hebrew genuinely fun and accessible. What struck me most during my testing was their massive 6,000-word vocabulary bank and 5,000 phrase collection, all organized through interactive flashcards and structured decks. The speech recognition technology is surprisingly accurate for Hebrew's unique sounds, and I love how it lets you compare your pronunciation directly with native speakers. If you're just starting your Hebrew journey, this is where I'd recommend you begin. In third place, I have to mention HebrewPod 101, which offers the most immersive experience I've found. This platform absolutely blew me away with its treasure trove of audio and video lessons. As someone who's tried dozens of language apps, I can tell you that HebrewPod 101's emphasis on cultural context is unmatched. Every lesson I completed gave me deeper insights into not just the language, but the culture behind it. The native speaker instructors deliver lessons that feel authentic and practical, making this perfect for anyone wanting to understand Hebrew in its full cultural richness. Pimsleur claims the 4th spot as the undisputed champion of audio learning. And after completing their Hebrew course, I completely understand why. If you want to build conversational confidence fast, this is your app. Through their signature 30-minute all-audio lessons, Pimsleur got me speaking and understanding real Hebrew dialogues from day 1. What I found remarkable is how their scientifically designed spaced repetition system actually works. I retain vocabulary and structures effortlessly while driving, walking, or cooking. It's audio learning? Perfect. Rounding up our top 5 is Drops, which I discovered is the ultimate vocabulary powerhouse. While it doesn't cover grammar extensively, what Drops does with vocabulary acquisition is truly impressive. I spent weeks exploring their exhaustive vocabulary library, and the way they organize words by daily life categories is brilliant. The visual learning approach with engaging quizzes made memorizing Hebrew words feel almost effortless. It's the perfect complementary tool to enhance any Hebrew learning journey. And after personally testing all these apps extensively, Ling remains my clear winner. It's the only platform that masterfully combines script writing, ancient and modern cultural context, grammar, and conversation into a single, seamless, and highly engaging experience. Ultimately, every new word of Hebrew you learn builds a bridge. It's a bridge to understanding ancient texts, a bridge to connecting with Israeli friends and family, and a bridge to a deeper appreciation of a culture that has profoundly shaped the world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.